In this lecture, we will learn about the heap and the stack. Memory in a Python program can either be allocated to the stack or the heap. The stack is a contiguous block of memory. Memory gets allocated to the stack when a function is called. Once the function is over, that memory is deallocated. The programmer does not have to worry about allocating or deallocating the stack memory. That is handled automatically by the computer. The stack is a block of memory for storing local variables and parameters. It grows and shrinks as a function is entered and exited. The heap is memory that is allocated explicitly by programmers. It is basically a pile of memory space available for programmers to allocate and deallocate. When a programmer does not properly handle this memory, something called a memory leak can happen in the program. A memory leak happens when a programmer assigns a block of memory in the heap and then forgets to deallocate that block of memory. To avoid a memory leak, the programmer should always free the memory when it is no longer needed. A heap is a block of memory for storing objects, for example, reference type instances. When a new object is created, it is allocated on the heap, and a reference to that object is returned. The heap starts filling up as new objects are created. The garbage collector periodically deallocates objects from the heap. The heap also stores static fields and constants, which don't get garbage collected. In the next lecture, we will learn about the 5 steps to programming systems and applications.